Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Do you want to automate the process without involving the manual or a human intervention? So here is the demo we brought in front of you. It is nothing but as a resume parsing. When somebody upload the resume into the drive, it automatically trigger the downloading the file and extracting. On top of that one, the AI agent will automatically generate the structured data. If this structured data we want to store in SQL or any other database, we can also do. Now we would like to see what is the meaning of an automation. Around the automation mean collecting the data from various tools or platform and processing it through custom workflows and sending it to the desired destination tool. It will connect apps like a Google Sheet, API, CRMs, database to automate the task without the manual efforts. So this is the definition. Now let us see the workflow. You can see my screen open. Here I am going and opening the Google Drive. You can see the triggers 2 and action 17. On the triggers only, on changes involving a specific folder. So here we try to open with a new credential, create a new credentials. It will open this window and here you can see authenticate redirect URL and it's required the client ID and a client secret ID. So these two things we try to fill it. So for that one the process, so to enable the Google Drive API, I am entering the Google Cloud Console. It will try to open this window. You can see the Google Cloud. It is a my project. Okay, come over here and you can see API and service. Here you can see enable the API and service. You can click on this one and you can scroll down. Google Drive API, I am enabling the service. Next it will try to open this one, library credential authentication consent screen. So you can see Google Drive API, it is enabled. Now I am entering into the credentials, authentic credentials, services and credentials, and this one. Now I am going on to the n8n and you can select this one, click to copy and I am coming over here, configure send screen, get started, application name n8n, supporting email or external. Next, okay, confirm the email address, and the next one is Alex embedded projects @ and I agree terms and condition, continue and create. All of these things should be ticked. Try to go to the audience, internal and test users, add users. Again you can give the same thing. Now create a client, application name is web application and name will be the n8n. Authorize redirect URL, you can see authorize redirect URL, you can select copy to paste it here. Now you will get the client ID and see client secret. So if you can download it, otherwise you can select this one client ID and come over here and paste it over here. Now you can go to her here, client secret, create this one. Now you can see sign up with Google. Now sign up with Google, you can see my screen and it will try to open, and I am opening with Alex embedded projects @gmail.com. Okay, continue and give all the access to it and you can see the connection successful. So these are the steps you need to follow. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. And you can see changes involving in a specific folder. From list you can select what is the folder. Before that you need to go to your particular name and give some data or upload some files onto it. Now we are moving on to here, watch for file is created. When any new file is created, it will try to fetch. Here you can see the second node is a Google Drive. We can come over here, the JSON ID, the file ID I am selecting over here. Resource is the file, operation is the download. Second one is extracting the file. We have already seen while we are storing the data into the Pinecone vector DB, we are extracting the data from the PDF. Only we are uploading the resume in a PDF as of now. And AI agent also we have seen from previous to here, the only the difference here it is nothing but as I am enabling required a specific output format. You can see this is the one I have enabled. And come to over here, output parser. You can see the structured output parser is there, where you can define your JSON format. Generate from the JSON example. There is a two defined below. Generate from the JSON example. So it will try to select this one like a template and fill the data, so that from various resumes the same template it has been maintained. It will be easy to store in any database that is called a structured SQL database. So the same thing it will be holding, and it is easy for the remaining nodes to be executed properly. Now we can see one demo. Now what I am doing is test workflow. I am clicking. You can see Google Drive, extract from file, open AI chart model, AI agent, everything is working. Now let us see. For every 1 minute it will try to execute it, but we have tested like a manually, like a test workflow. And you can save this one. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you. Before that, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.